Let's imagine a scenario together. Say you're advertising a $2.99 lease offer on your website, but your digital retailing tool is showing $3.47. That disconnect is a deal breaker for shoppers. When payments aren't consistent across platforms, shoppers question everything. And that kills trust, and therefore, your conversions. Your offers should always match your marketing. It's as easy as DEP.
Follow our tips, it's simple to see. Kick me what sales is easy as DEP.
Everest Retailing makes it simple to configure offers automatically and accurately. Here's how you can achieve consistency. Keep it current. Everest Retailing's offer management system configures exact payments across your site right down to the model and trim level. Schedule smarter. Set future start and end dates for your offers so your payments go live with your campaigns, eliminating the need for last-minute scrambling. And lastly, make sure to sync up your messaging. Align your ads, emails, and digital retailing so your customers always see the same offer. When proposed payments match original expectations, you'll see more shopper engagement. Dealers who sync their offers see more leads, better conversions, higher grosses, and happier customers. First impressions matter, and payment consistency builds instant trust. Everest Retailing makes syncing your offers effortless. It's as easy as DEP.
Follow our tips, it's simple to see. Kick me what sales is easy as DEP.